ASAP Plumbing, Jacksonville, Florida. We're replacing a brand new tub, replacing the tile. We'll go all the way to the ceiling with this tile in the next 24 to 48 hours. This will all be covered up. We'll see it on the next set of videos that comes out. We usually have a couple of videos. We've got the Durock in. Changed out all the plumbing. Changed out the shower valve. Changed out the tub. And we're currently putting in a subway style pattern tile. This house is on vertical bunkum, and it's located on the south side of Jacksonville, Florida. ASAP Plumbing and Tile. Have tools, will travel. We also provide free estimates, and our phone number is 904-346-1266. Our phone number is 346-1266. Area code 904. And again, this is called a subway style pattern. And like I said, we'll have more videos coming up. You can look at our other videos. We are a plumbing and tile company. We provide free estimates. We'd love to help you with your home improvement project or